Healing here. Welcome to the channel. So let's talk about it. Being a writer versus being a publisher. Now, I've been personally on both ends of the spectrum, so I can give you my personal insights and experiences in regards to this. So let's first talk about being a writer. Now, I've written a few books myself under pen names that were pretty successful, that have hit bestseller rank a couple times. Now, the thing about being a writer is it's very time consuming. Personally speaking, it would take me anywhere between 3 weeks to a month, perhaps even longer, to write a book. And this is me being actively engaged in the writing process every single day, right? So being a publisher is a different ball game, right? You're really not working inside your business, you're working on your business, right? And if you're in the publishing game to make money and to scale, right? Because that's the thing with publishing, you can really grow your business at scale, right? And that's the advantage of being a publisher. I personally, right now, I don't write any of my books anymore, and I've outsourced all the work to my ghostwriter. So right now I have like 2 or 3 writers writing separate books for me. Actually, I think I have 3 right now at the moment who are actively working for me, writing certain books, right? And I would never be able to scale. I would never have been able to scale like this if I was individually writing my books by myself, right? So that's the advantage of being a publisher, right? And it just comes down to what you really want, right? With self-publishing, if it's a passion project or something along those lines, then feel free to be a writer. But if you truly want to scale your business, if you truly want to, generate, more money, right? If you truly want to do that, you need to be able to be a publisher and step outside of your business and work on your business and not inside your business, right? Because the writer works inside his business while the publisher works outside his business. So that's my experiences between the two. Now, if writing is a vocation you have, or it's your calling and it's something you're passionate about, go ahead. I mean, if you're a writer that can produce, high quality books and you have that talent and you have that craft, I say go for it, right? Personally speaking, I like to make my business, especially with this online business, a self-publishing online business, I like to make my business as passive and as automated and as systematized as possible, right? Because that's really why I got into publishing, right? Because it's a wealth creation vehicle that can enable location mobility, time mobility, and just generate me passive income, right? And I think that's why a lot of you watching my channel got into publishing too, right? To the allure of passive income and the joys of passive income as well, right? So that's my personal thoughts on that in regards to publishing and being a writer. Again, there really is no right or wrong answer. It does come down to preference and what you really want in life, right? Like I said, if you have the craft and the ability to produce a bunch of high quality books in a short period of time, then you can leverage that and just write your own books. But like I said, I personally, when I was personally writing books myself, it was really stressful, it was really time consuming, right? So again, you really gotta find what you want with your self-publishing business, right? In order to make a decision if you want to be a writer or if you want to be a publisher, right? So like I said, I personally lean towards and gravitate towards being a self-publisher and being a publisher in the business. So that way I can have freedom, have time mobility, have location mobility, and keep the business automated and systematized, right? So that's going to be all for this video. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below. Do you prefer being a writer or a publisher? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.